What you're going to want to do is you're going to pull this choke over that way when it's starting. So pull it over that way. Okay, now your gas is on. You're on turtle right here, so go ahead and turn the key. Okay, now take your choke off. Okay, turn the key. Have it warm up for a little bit. So what we're going to do is you'll put this right on here after we get it going. Outlined our garden with a bunch of different fruit trees. So with the wood chip process, we've been busy giving them a little moisture retention tool, throwing the wood chips at the base. Now, we've always had pretty good luck with wood chips, no matter what they were. We've never really used black walnut, so it's one of those things where we'd have to do some testing on it. But cedar, elm, oak, you know, all that, pine, they always work fine for us through the years. So you have to do your own experimentation, see what works for you.